Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be solving this interesting Sodic equation. Now the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to say let this 5 plus 2 root 6 be equal to a. So say 5 plus 2 root 6 is what equal to a. Then the next thing I'll do, this is a, now a is equal to this, then I'll say I'll look for 1 over a. 1 over a now will become 1 all over 5 plus 2 root 6. Then from here now, this is 1 over a. I'm going to write it 1 all over a equal to 1 all over 5 plus 2 root 6. Now I'm going to multiply this expression here by its conjugate. So its conjugate is 5 minus 2 root 6 all over 5 minus 2 root 6. Now we say 1 all over a will be equal to 1 will multiply this. Now we have 5 minus 2 root 6 all over. Now this denominator here now is a difference of 2 square, which means 5 times 5, that's 5 square, which is what? 25 minus, then this now will be what? 2 times 2, that's 4. Then root 6 times root 6, that will give us what? Root 6 times root 6, that will give us 6. So we have 4 times 6, which is what? 24. So therefore, 1 all over a will be equal to 5 minus 2 root 6 all over 25 minus 24, that will give us what? 1. So 1 over a is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. So if a is equals to 5 plus 2 root 6, then 5 minus 2 root 6 is what? 1 over a. So I'm going to replace this now with what? A. So we have a raised to the power of x squared minus 3 plus this now is what? 1 over a. So write 1 all over a raised to the power of x squared minus 3 all equal to 10. Now we have here's what? A raised to the power of what? X squared minus 3 plus, now here will become 1 raised to the power of x squared minus 3 all over a raised to the power of x squared minus 3 all equal to 10. Then we continue. Now we say write this again. We say a raised to the power of x squared minus 3 plus 1 raised to the power any number is 1. So here will become 1 all over a raised to the power of x squared minus 3 all equal to 10. Then now I can say that let m be equal to a raised to the power of x squared minus 3. So anywhere I see this, I put what? M. So here will become m plus 1 all over m equal to 10. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to multiply this every term here with what? M, to establish a quadratic equation. So we multiply m times m here will give us what? M squared. M times 1 over m will give me what? Plus 1. So put 1 here. Then equal to m times 10 will give me 10m. Now from here now I'm going to rearrange this to get my quadratic equation. So here will become m squared minus 10m plus 1 equal to 0. Then now I'm going to solve this my quadratic equation using my formula method. So we say from the formula method, I will say a equal to 1, the coefficient of m squared, which is our a, is equal to 1, while b is equal to the coefficient of m, that's what, minus 10. Then c is equal to 1 also. Then now I'm going to write my quadratic formula, which says that m is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is my quadratic formula. Then I will say m will be equal to minus b is what, minus 10. So minus times minus, that's plus. So here will become b is equal to 10. So here will be 10. Since minus times minus plus, so 10 plus or minus the square root of minus 10 squares minus 4 times a is what, 1, times c is what, 1 also, all over 2 multiplied by a, which is what, 1. Then therefore is m is equal to 10 plus or minus, then this is what, 100 minus 10 squared is 100. 100 minus 4 times 1, that's 4. 100 minus 4 will give me 100 minus 4 will give me the square root of 96 all over 2. And we'll continue again. We'll say m is equal to m is equal to 10 plus or minus the square root of 96. So I'm going to reduce this now in the form of, in a sort form now. So here will become here will become 4 root 6. Then all over 2. Then we'll continue again. We say m from here again. M will be equal to, that's 10 divided by 2, that's what, 5, plus or minus 4 divided by 2, that's 2 root 6. So from here now, m is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 or 5 minus 2 root 6. So we have gotten m. Now, since we have gotten m, So since we have gotten m now, we'll say, recall that m is equal to a raised to the power of s squared minus 3. So we have gotten m. Now we'll say, recall m equal to a x squared minus 3. So now anywhere I see m now, I'm going to put, we have two values for m, 5 plus 2 root 6 or 5 minus 2 root 6. So I'm going to use both of them. So we say m, the first value for m is what? 5 plus 2 root 6. So we'll say we use 5 plus 2 root 6 here. 5 plus 2 root 6 equal to what? A. And we know that a is what? A, we substitute a as 5 plus 2 root 6 also here. So here will be 5 plus 2 root 6, close bracket, all raised to the power of x squared minus 3. This is when m is 5 plus 2 root 6. Now, from here now, if you look at them, they have the same base. This is raised to the power of 1. If you look at this now, this one now is raised to the power of 1, while this one is raised to the power x squared minus 3. So we have base, we cancel out. So we have 1 equal to x squared minus 3. Then from here now, I can take this minus 3 this way. It will now become 1 plus 3 equal to x squared. Then 1 plus 3 is what? 4 equal to x squared. And from here now, I can simply say that what? X is equal to plus or minus the square root of 4. So therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 2. Now, this solution for s was gotten when we say that m is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Now, let's look at a situation whereby m is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Recall that we say m is what? 5 plus 2 root 6 or 5 minus 2 root 6. So I'm going to use this one as m. So let's continue. So we say 5 minus, so we recall again. M equal to a s squared minus 3. Now m this time is what? 5 minus 2 root 6. Now for m equal to what? A, we know that a is what? 5 plus 2 root 6. So right, 5 plus 2 root 6, close bracket, all raised to the power s squared minus 3. Now this now is the same thing as raised to the power of 1. Then now we know that 5 plus 2 root 6 is the same thing as 1 over, no, we know that 5 minus 2 root 6 is the same thing as 1 all over 5 plus 2 root 6, which is the same thing as 5 plus 2 root 6 all raised to the power of x squared minus 3. Now this expression here now is the same thing as 5 plus 2 root 6 raised to the power minus 1 equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 raised to the power of x squared minus 3. Now they have the same base, so base we cancel out. So we now have minus 1 equal to x squared minus 3. Now I'm going to collect items. So we say this minus 1. So we say x squared will be equal to 3 minus 1. So from here now, we can see that x squared is equal to 2. Then from here now, I can say x will be equal to plus or minus the square root of 2. So from here, so our final solution for the question now is that x is equal to plus 2 minus 2 plus root 2 or minus root 2. So this is our solution to this question. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.